Good morning, Miss.
Good morning, Miss.
Okay, today we are going to do evaluation. I will ask from the LP that you have made for this week.
Okay.
Um, I see here that there is sounds great. Yeah. How many sounds that you have explained this week? How many sounds?
Still three ending sounds. They
What are
are
they?
they are at, and app.
For example,
For example, app, cap,
add cap.
at, bat, mat, and then jam, ram, yam, and then app, cap, map.
How many samples for each of these? Sounds great.
Actually, in the book there are 4 example for one sound.
Okay, I mean, can you give more? Like add.
Add, yeah.
Like add just
Add.
now. You say you give 4, right?
Yes, actually in the book there are 4 words. They are
Add.
add, yes. Mat, bat, and then mat, bat, that, and then I just remember 2, 3.
Okay, for M.
Yam, jam, and jam, and then jam. What else again? I just remember two.
I mean, you have delivered this on Monday, right?
Yes, I deliver on Monday. This is already Wednesday.
Still Monday, loh. Nah, I mean, we haven't passed this week. You have forgotten.
Yeah, I know that because when I forget, I will take a look again at the book, right? If I teach the kid our students. App, cap, map, bat, and cap, map.
Only that. Okay. Right. Okay, now we move to little steps. How can you explain about the clothes here? Because the question is like, what do you wear when it's rain?
Yes, this is we connect the clothes to the weather, right? The first I will explain what weather first and mention based
How
on
many weather?
Based on the application. There are rainy, sunny, and then rainy, sunny. What else again? Snowy, windy. There are 4 in the book.
And then?
And then what kind of clothes?
There is no summer.
In the book we don't learn about the summer. Just sunny day.
Sunny.
Yes.
Okay, and then?
And then I will ask what clothes do we wear for sunny day? And then I will show them the clothes, the kind of clothes. Which one do we wear the sweater or t-shirt like that?
Okay. So how about this? What is kind of clothes do we wear in pairs? How can you explain this?
What kind of?
What is kind of clothes do we wear in
I
pairs?
wear a pair of shoes.
Pair of shoes. Okay. What can you see in the farm?
I can see actually that is
Reviewing, right? For little step. This is unit 4.
yeah, we don't review about that anymore, miss. Only for the last week.
For the last week, what you put here?
Yes, we put all the TPQ in one file, miss. So it's easier to ask to find it.
So you review about what did you
Yes,
review?
only the we review checkpoint only for last week, right? If we ask so many, we don't have much time, right, to continue our lesson.
I mean, you didn't review even maybe 1 or 2 questions for this from this CPQ unit. You didn't?
No,
How about this one? What? How many times do you eat in a day? You didn't explain them too.
no, because that is about
Teddy bear?
clothes.
Did you
Teddy bear, yes, still about that.
Okay, so what are the teddy bears wearing?
The teddy bears are wearing the blue scarf and the tie.
That's not same.
The same.
Feel lah ya. What are the girls wearing?
The girls are wearing the dress and skirt.
How about the boy?
The boy are wearing
The boy is wearing
the boy is wearing t-shirt and pants.
why your answer is not same ya?
Not really same.
Okay, so how can you explain to the students about the clothes that they wear based on the weather? For example, on sunny, we will wear this one. Okay, how can you explain that?
There are in the application book there are the picture about the kids wear the clothes based on the weather, and then we will trace the picture. So like this, there is the picture about the kid is wearing the t-shirt and the pants, and then that is for sunny day, and then there is a girl is wearing the sweater, so that is for what is that, snowy, and then there is the girl who is wearing the raincoat, it is for rainy day.
Okay, now we move to Pictionary English. What is balance?
Balance, that is a thing that it is equal.
Explanation.
The explanation, when the parents share some candies to some
When the
children,
parents
share some candies to the children. For example, they are get 2 and 2.
they get, not they are get.
They get 2.
So we call that as a balance.
Yes.
As balance. How about bib?
Bib or bib?
Bib.
Bib.
B-I-B, bib.
Bib, right. Bib is a cloth for the baby to
Cloth.
cloth, right? Not clothes.
Okay, we open ya. Not cloth. Cloth.
Cloth.
Cloth. I think ya, we check first. Yeah.
Cloth.
Cloth. Cloth. Like that.
Cloth.
That's a cloth.
Like
That's a cloth.
not cloth.
Cloth.
Cloth. The tongue like between our teeth. Cloth.
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 Not cloth. Cloth.
Cloth.
Cloth.
Cloth.
Okay then. Next. And then
As a cloth that to cover the baby when the baby want to eat.
only that. The
Yes.
additional explanation. There are three parts actually here: the definition, additional explanation, and the examples, right? So I just want to know that you can remember, you can memorize, or you can explain about three kinds of this.
I cannot remember.
If you cannot remember, at
exactly.
least your explanation is still same with this one, even though it's not same. I mean, it's related.
Oh yes,
Okay. So the additional explanation of bib.
that's to help the baby to keep clean.
For example,
For example, uh, a blue bib, a pink bib.
the example is not. I mean, it's not really related. Like, I wear this one. I mean,
I
how
wear
to use that.
The mommy wears the bib for the baby when she wants to feed up the baby.
Is it only for the baby?
Yes, I think so.
That's only for the baby. So for adult, we cannot use that. The
I
bib.
think the adult no need the bib anymore, right?
You know the table manner? They don't use bib. You didn't see like.
Is it bib too? We call that bib too.
So you mean the bib only for the that one,
Yes, this.
the child, like the small one? Okay, let me open first. Yeah, bib.
So in the restaurant, the one yeah, we call that bib too.
Wait, I check first. Yeah, bib. Yeah, mostly for the baby. Yeah. Okay, then we find out more later. Yeah. Okay, so here the explanation about bib for the kid. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Blindfold.
Blindfold is a cloth to cover the eyes.
Cloth to cover the eyes.
Yes.
Okay, the additional explanation.
Additional explanation that is a long cloth and then you can tie to your eyes to cover your eyes.
All right, I got. Wait, about the bib like just now. I think maybe for adult we can call like apron. That's right.
The apron that is for cooking, right? Apron, this one.
Yeah, that's different also.
Different, right? It's not same.
It's not same, yeah. But I saw here just now like almost same, but bib for the for the
Or maybe have too many, yes.
the children.
The apron.
The apron, yeah, especially I mean, as we know, apron is for cooking, right? So how do we call that one for the adult? Yeah, because sometimes if for the table manner they use that, right? Don't you ever see?
Ever in the one tradition of the West, right?
Yes.
But in Indonesia,
We never see, right?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe they just put on here, right?
or they put here, or they put in
In
near the
Indonesia?
neck, yes. Never I see.
Yeah, but Western people, that's why I'm curious too. Okay, we will search later more, yeah, about that. Okay. Now we move to the next. Blush. What is that, miss?
Plus is that is change the face to red.
Pardon?
Change the face into red.
Into red. Because of?
I'm not really. That is the blush, or we use something to blush our face.
For example?
For example,
Hmm.
The face become the the face become plus because he sees something terrible.
Terrible.
Yes, sometimes or the kids, they if they cry, the face the face will be plus, right? If the kid, but if the adult, maybe if see the terrible one.
I mean, here the example you said when I said hi to my crush, is it appropriate for the students?
What, miss?
When I said hi to my crush,
When I see
when I said
said
hi to my crush, I felt my cheeks blush. I mean, this is not appropriate for the students, right? This is for K1. But you say the example like this crush.
because
Why didn't you discuss before?
we don't have much time to discuss about the
I
simple
mean, when you see
one, right?
something like this is not good for K1.
Yeah, sometimes we filter again which one the best one
So how
in the
about this? Why?
class, because there are so many words, right? We don't have much time to explain all the words because we just have 30 minutes for to learn about the dictionary. In this week, there are so many words until around 14 or 15.
But the picture.
So, based on our discussion, we just choose the best word to explain to the students. Because if we explain all the words, I think the student cannot understand too much word. But based on our leader, just put it in our LP, only that.
But this one I don't approve about this, Miss. The example, even though maybe you don't give this to the students, but for example, you don't give this to the students. But how if other teacher explain and then give example like this? So it's better before you how to say that, yeah, before you explain about this, you give example. Better you filter, you change a bit here. This is from the app, right? This is from the app.
Yes.
That's why you need to read also, Miss. So for the next week, it is not like this anymore.
But it is not all right, only some of the head. That's why.
Yeah, but when I evaluate, right, and then I see like
some.
this crush, they're still kid. It's not appropriate for them. Okay. How about Buffett?
Buffet is a box or a place to keep something. Like maybe we can keep the pizza, we can keep the bread, we can keep the crackers and the others.
Button mushrooms?
Uh, button mushroom is like a button, uh, the shape like a button from the mushroom. So maybe we put the button mushroom on the pizza.
So what do living things need?
The living things need food, water, air.
So can you give some examples of non-living things?
The non-living things are chair, table, bottle.
How about the examples of living things?
Living things are human, plants, and animals.
Okay. ASP Bahasa.
Yes, Miss.
Apa sajakah kata-kata yang memiliki suku kata awal yang sama dengan kucing?
Kata-kata yang memiliki awalan suku kata dengan kucing seperti kuning dan kuda dan kurang.
Kurang. Apa hubungannya dengan mainan kesukaan di sini, Miss?
What is that?
Apa saja mainan kesukaan kamu? Hubungannya dengan checkpoint pertama itu apa, Miss? Tadi kan yang dibahas di checkpoint 1 itu tentang suku kata, ya kan?
Suku kata,
Nah,
iya.
yang kedua mainan kesukaan.
Itu berbicara tentang rekreasi. Jadi di situ sebenarnya menjelaskan kata yang sama menggunakan kata transportasi. Transportasi itu tadi berbicara seperti awalan dia menggunakan awalan suku kata yang sama. Seperti becak, bemo. Nah, di checkpoint kita buat dengan awalan suku yang baru. Apakah anak-anak bisa memahami awalan suku yang sama? Tadi dengan boneka, dengan mainan kesukaan dikaitkan kembali dengan tema rekreasi. Terkadang anak-anak membawa mainan mereka untuk berekreasi.
Okay. Now we move to CPK Science ya, ASP Science. Apa saja bagian-bagian dari mobil?
Bagian-bagian dari mobil seperti ban, kaca spion, ban mobil, kaca spion, dan pintu mobil, tempat duduk mobil.
How about the wheel?
Ban atau roda itu.
Sudah tadi. Apa saja kendaraan yang pendek?
Kendaraan yang pendek itu seperti mobil, sepeda, dan sepeda motor.
Oke. Apa yang dimaksud dengan jamur kancing? Apa ini jamur kancing?
Jamur kancing itu satu jenis jamur yang berbentuk seperti kancing. Biasanya itu bisa dimasak dan dicampurkan dengan makanan yang lainnya seperti menjadi topping pizza.
Prasmanan?
Prasmanan. Prasmanan seperti prasmanan.
Prasmanan apa itu prasmanan?
Prasmanan itu seperti kita mengambil makanan sendiri.
Itu contohnya kan? Definisinya?
Definisi prasmanan seperti menyediakan makanan untuk dihidangkan.
Dan makanan itu harus diambil sendiri begitu?
Iya, benar.
Oke. Alas makan bayi.
Alas makan bayi adalah kain penutup pakaian bayi ketika bayi ingin makan agar pakaian mereka tetap bersih.
Keseimbangan?
Keseimbangan suatu kondisi yang sama.
Soalnya?
Seperti kondisi membagikan permen yang sama banyak kepada anak-anak.
Bak mandi.
Bak mandi adalah seperti tempat untuk mandi.
Mm-mm.
Kita bisa menikmati aktivitas mandi kita di dalam bak mandi tersebut.
Memukul.
Memukul adalah keadaan ketika kita memukulkan suatu benda ke benda lain.
Ya, memukul itu apa? Definisinya apa, Miss?
Definisinya bahasa.
Okay. Do you have a project in this week?
Yes, we have project this week.
What is that?
That is about to make a lantern for Happy Chinese New Year.
Chinese New Year, ya.
Yes,
When will you make?
tomorrow
Tomorrow.
on Thursday.
So what are the materials that you need for making the project?
The material, we need a red cartoon and the glue.
Only
The
that.
first, yes, the first we
Only red color?
yes, we just make the red lantern.
Only both of these, blue and then red carton?
Yeah, and scissors.
How about the size? Have you measured?
Yes, we measure it. We cut one cartoon into around 10 or 8 or 10 side.
Is it enough?
Yes, we don't make the
You don't really make.
big
You don't make the
one,
really
the
big, yeah.
medium one only.
So every students will make one.
Yes.
You do on Friday. Tomorrow.
Thursdays, yes.
Tomorrow. Okay then. I think for the evaluation for today, it's enough, yeah.
For the conclusion is,
Okay, you could explain about the sounds great. I made the note here for the little steps questions. Some of your answer actually are not same with the answer in the CP questions. Yeah. But for the Pictionary English, most of the questions, most of the Pictionary you can explain, you could explain. Just for blush, you didn't explain really well, you didn't explain detail. And then for the SP Bahasa Science also, I could accept that you can explain them also. And for the for the Pictionary Bahasa, maybe only about memukul, you couldn't explain it well, I think. So for all, in this evaluation, you pass, Miss.
okay, thank you, Miss.
Yes, Miss.